Pixel Buds. Let's unbox. Alright, I got the Pixel Buds A series here to unbox, so let's do it. Here we go. Alright, so I'm going to cut this. Whoa, that is dangerous what I just did. And kids, never ever cut towards yourself. I did it sort of subconsciously and I don't know why, but I know better. Alright, so the plastic is off. We got rid of that. Now, let's see here. Okay. Alright, something comes off of somewhere here. Ah, here. Here, so, alright, so right away we have the charger. Let's see what's in the rest of the box. We have a USB-A to USB-C cable. We have an instruction manual. We have two of them actually. And we have the ear tips. And here now we have the charger in some sort of plastic, it appears. And I'm having a hard time getting this plastic off. Bear with me. Quality content right here for you. Alright, we got it off. This has a slight matte finish. And here are your buds. So I'm going to put these in here because apparently they're trying to connect. And I'm trying to unbox them for you. So this is going to be a difficult unboxing video to edit, but that's okay. I do this for you, the audience. So anyway, that's an unboxing. Now I'm going to set it up, and because I'm using my phone, I really can't actually show you the actual setup, but I can sort of guide you through it a little bit, I guess. I don't know. But I'll probably put them on and I'll tell you how they feel initially. So, all in all, my first impressions are that these are really good earbuds. They got a microphone on the left one. Yeah, so all in all, they feel really good in the ear. They stay in really well, as it is hard to shake out. So, yeah, no, you can't shake them out. Yeah, so I will be doing a review in the coming days. I will take some time to test them out, and you will see a review of the Google Pixel Buds on the channel. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this if you enjoyed this. Also, be sure to share that video, my last video of the in-new battery pack charging review. Excuse me. Oh boy, can't. But be sure to check out the in-new battery pack review and watch that video to the end. Until then, I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.